If I only had 2 weeks to get my first wholesaling real estate deal, this is exactly what I would do. I'd really break it up into 3 parts here, right? I would first learn how to wholesale houses. I would then take massive action, and then I would probably implement the greatest plan known to man to start wholesaling houses. So let's get started on the first part, learning how to wholesale. Obviously, you've already on this YouTube channel, you're on my live streams, but we only have 2 weeks. What is the quickest way to actually learn how to wholesale real estate? Again, it's my free wholesaling course, freewholesaling.com. You already knew that. And freewholesaling.com is only 20 hours, right? It's about a 20-hour course, and it'll teach you everything you need to know about wholesaling real estate. Honestly, that could be done in probably 2 or 3 nights, but I'll split it up even easier. The first half of it, which is 10 hours, is going to be kind of marketing. I would get through that part first, and then after that, day 2, I'd start taking action. Like on day 2 of knowing how to wholesale, right? Like starting tomorrow, right? Today you go to freewholesaling.com, you'll ram through the videos tonight. Then day 2, I'm gonna start taking action. The first thing I'm probably gonna do on day 2 is I'm gonna start pulling Zach's list of the month. See, I'm not even thinking about it. In freewholesaling.com, FYI, I have something called the list of the month. Now, as of this recording, my list of the month are going to be around 3,000 code violations for Dallas, Fort Worth, and most importantly, Tarrant County. They're all skip traced. So again, this is all going to be in a budget of $0. I literally gave the emails for you and I gave you the phone numbers completely for free. I skip traced it using a software called XLeads, which is the greatest wholesaling software of all time. But I used my own money, my own funds to actually skip trace 3,000 of these phone numbers absolutely for you. You see, I'm trying to make it quicker and easier and way more simple to become successful wholesaling. And I don't want you to go buy any softwares or make anything complicated. I've pulled a government list and I've skip traced a ton of them for you. And I do this every single month. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to take that 3,000 and if you're watching this in a month from this recording, I probably have a brand new government list for you to pull, so don't worry about it. But what I'm going to do is take that list of 3,000 code violations. So let's call it 3,000 code violations. Step 1, I'm actually going to do something that I haven't really talked too much about, but I'm going to email blast these sellers. The reason why I'm going to email blast if I'm broke and I only have 2 weeks is it's one of the quickest ways to get a wholesaling real estate deal without any money. Now, in freewholesaling.com, I actually have a small little mini course called my EOG system. EOG system stands for my email offer generator system. And pretty much what it does is it lets you email blast using Google Sheets as the software. And you just got to connect it with a Google Developer API. And the software, what it does is built by Google. It connects your Gmail account. So it basically connects your Gmail account with your Google Sheets. So you can upload your Google Sheets information of these 3,000 code violations, and it'll let you email blast whatever you want to write it, which I think is actually pretty scary. So in my email offer generator course inside of freewholesaling.com, I show you how you can send 1,000 emails every single day. And the cool part about it is this is all step 1, right? Those emails are all going to basically push you to a Google Voice number. So I might have this phone number right here, and that is going to go to my phone. And when somebody calls me, I'm going to go pick it up, and that's going to be pretty cool. So I'm going to get motivated sellers inbound calling me from my email blasting, and I'm just offering to buy their house for cash. So I'm going to do that every single day, and it's probably going to take me at most 30 minutes a day. Now, again, you have to go to freewholesaling.com. I do not share this on YouTube anymore because of the new YouTube policies. But again, it's completely for free. And I promise you, you're going to start crushing it using email blasting. And no one else on YouTube is really talking about this. And again, it costs no money. I'm not trying to sell you anything here. Step 2, we're going to start implementing other strategies. One of my favorite strategies to start implementing is cold calling. And I think if you have like 3 hours a day, you could probably get around 180 calls and 180 texts out there using Google Voice for free, calling an SMS, and boom, you're gonna get about 360 calls and texts out there a day. That should land you some leads. Step 3 on my marketing tool, and again, that's gonna be about 3 hours a day. On top of this too, I'm just gonna post 2 digital bandit signs a day. Now, a digital bandit sign is basically a post you can make to a Facebook group with like, I don't know, 50,000 people in the group. So you're marketing to 50,000 people in the group. Now, let me give you some free game not a lot of people know. A lot of people go out here and they make a post in a Facebook group and they do a dookie, right? Because they didn't go through the course. And they say, we buy houses for cash. And they put like their phone number on there and it looks absolutely terrible. And I'm like, bro, like it won't get 50,000 people looking at it. At most, it's going to get like, I don't know, 30 people looking at it. It might get 2 likes. Like, who wants that, right? What you have to do is you have to game the Facebook algorithm. So you actually don't do that. What I teach in freewholesaling.com, the Digital Bandit Sign Academy, which is my free digital bandit sign course I have in freewholesaling.com, is we do something a lot different. What we do is we warm up the audience. So what I ask is, who has the best pizza in New Orleans, right? Let's say I'm doing New Orleans, right? Who has the best pizza? Guys, if I had a Facebook group of 50,000 people, they're pretty much all gonna see that and it's gonna get like 300 likes and it's going to get like 200 comments. Because I have never seen Italian people be so heated and passionate about something in my dang life, about who in their city has the best pizza. And again, you could say I'm stupid or I'm wrong or I'm being insensitive, but tell me in your life you have never seen 2 overweight Italian American men argue over who has the best pizza in the city. It happens pretty much every hour in your city. And trust me, I love my Italian food. But Italian people are so passionate about pizza and pasta that they'll argue for hours about which one's the best and which one has the best mozzarella. And I could tell you, if you post in a Facebook group with 50,000 people in your city, who has the best pizza, they're all going to argue to the death. And guess what? Facebook is like, oh my gosh, this Zach guy, he makes really engaging content. And so that might be post number 1. Now, post number 2 you're going to make is, we buy houses cash. Now, do you see how we already warmed that person up and that whole audience? Now, it's not going to get a full 50,000, but it might get 20,000 views because it knows that Zach is a viral guy. When he posts, people argue, people comment, and Facebook doesn't only care about views or likes, it cares about comments and engagement too. And so your post that we buy houses cash is going to get a ton more views than the guy who gets 300 views on his digital bandit sign. That's just some free game. I know someone's going to steal this and put in some crazy course, but this is the secret right now in 2025 to start finding motivated sellers. Now, at this point, we're going to be getting a lot of leads, right? So from email blasting, we should get about 5 leads a day. We should get about hopefully 3 from calling and texting if we have the right list. And then probably 1 lead, like that's actually motivated a day for a couple weeks from the digital bandit sign. I'm doing DBS. So 9 leads a day for a week. Now they're not all going to be the most motivated, but you're probably going to get 63. You can convert that maybe into 10 real appointments if you go crazy and you have the right lists. And at worst in a week, you're going to be able to get at least 1 contract. Then you get that sucker sold to a cash buyer. And in 2 weeks, you can get your first wholesaling deal. Now, the real question is like, well, Zach, how do I know how to close a seller? How do I know what to say? Do you have a contract for me? Can you JV? Do you have any buyers you can provide? Well, guys, I already tell you, again, I have a free wholesaling course, freewholesaling.com. Yes, 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 and yes. This is where I would learn exactly how to fill out contracts, find motivated sellers, and do all these things. Now, I'll give you some free game on some cash buyers too. Again, if you're looking to actually dispo your deal, yes, I know my handwriting's bad. Number 1, if I have no money, Facebook groups is going to be my first bet. I'd also go out here and find the 4 rents on Zillow. And then I'd use a software if you have the money like X Leads just to find all the flippers in the area. Because you got to remember, cash buyers are going to be right here, right? They're going to want to rent all the property, number 1, or they're going to look to flip the property. Those are where all the cash buyers are. Title companies have cash buyers. You can even JV with other people. But going to Facebook's for free is really cool. The Zillow for rents is awesome. Then using X Leads to find flippers. Facebook groups also have flippers too. But these are going to be the 3 primary ways I find cash buyers right now in 2025. Because all the flippers are going to be in X Leads. All the landlords are going to be in X Leads. But when you have no money, again, outside of JVing, it's going to be very hard to find these people for free. So it's really going to be a Facebook and Zillow punch to find your first cash buyer before you can start using a paid tool like X Leads. So don't get mad at me, right? The real reason you're going to have success here is within 10 hours, right, of watching this video and going through freewholesaling.com, you must start taking action. I don't know what else I can tell you, right? We have a whole entire spreadsheet in freewholesaling.com of all the government listings in the United States. The problem that is going to keep you from succeeding right now is this action part. You're going to be sitting on your butt. You're going to be twirling your thumbs like thinking, oh my gosh, what should I do? You know, I know Zach told me right here, right? Let's go back. I know Zach told me to go to freewholesaling.com. Most of you guys aren't going to go to freewholesaling.com. You're not going to go through every single video on the course. You only need to go through the marketing part first. But day 2, we start taking action. Like, I can't make this any dang easier for you. I'm literally handing you a gift of pulling 3,000 government lists every single month and skip tracing it absolutely for free. It's about $300 or $400 worth of skip tracing I'm giving in your hands absolutely for free. So take me up on this offer. Just pull the list I'm providing absolutely for free to you in the course and just take that action. I'd first, again, email blast the sellers, post at least 2 digital bandit signs a day. I know that takes consistency, but I promise you do it, you're gonna have success. And make sure you do your 360 calls and texts a day. This at most is gonna be 3-5 hours a day. I'm asking 5 hours a day, which if you do for 7 days a week is gonna be 35 hours, times 2 weeks is gonna be 70 hours to make $20,000 on a wholesaling deal. Would you work 70 hours to make $20,000? I think you would. I mean, the math comes out to $285 an hour. Guys, that's like a $600,000 a year salary if you work 40 hours a week. Like, I don't think you would do anything else if you were able to make $285 an hour. There's not one job you can do outside maybe like a heart surgeon or something where you're gonna make that money. And he ain't watching this if you are a heart surgeon. If you are, props to you. You can learn to scale and make more. But I'm literally showing you how to make $285 an hour wholesaling real estate. If this doesn't get you started, I don't know what else will. So if you want to start taking action and having success wholesaling, guys, go to freewholesaling.com, my free real estate wholesaling course. Make sure you smash that like button, subscribe, and I'll see you soon. This is Zach signing out. Have a blessed one.